Hi everybody, welcome to our new video. Today we're gonna fix an error which says module named path library is something like it can't see it. This is a Python error, and we want to fix it and see how it's gonna go. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna try to install the path library and see if it's gonna work. We're gonna say cd, go back here. If it works, then it's good. We have two methods which we're gonna use. The first method is to install another method. We can replace it with a different one. So let's start and go to your terminal, because you saw when let me recall this command. When I do this, okay, this, because I'm not in the folder, let me clear. I'm gonna clear first. We see what's going on. I wanna go to the new, I'm gonna go to a new terminal, and I say cd to var and www, then I enter, then I say ls, then I get this here, then I have to cd to that. That's when we're gonna see what's going on. When I say cd to that, then I try to recall one of the commands here. That when I run it, gonna see some stuff here. Okay, it's Django 3.1 using settings, Django app settings, server, quit the server with Control C. Okay, I was trying to run the server, so everything is fine here, but the error we find there, we're gonna do what? We're gonna show you this error, the one we find here. So because we try to run the migration code, which was this, and then it did not give us anything because we're in outside that. So we're gonna try to cd to that, and we say follow here, and we're gonna say www, then say d, okay, Django, and underscore app l, then we say enter. It says there's no such directory, but anyway, we can still do our stuff. We can say cd to that. You copy it and paste it here. Wow, giving me some error again. Let's see, because I put the hash on that. Okay, let's copy that and say cd to that. Okay, we're in now, so we're gonna call this one. I want to run this to get that error, the error we want to fix. When I run that, yeah, we get the error, this error. So what we do, we can say pipe install what they say, path lib, then you enter. When you enter, you can see that we're trying to unknown command install. It's giving us some problems here. Install, Okay. 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 I did not. You can see the library has been installed successfully. So now the only thing you have to do is to start a server, or we recall that command migration. You can see that we don't get the same error here. Remember our old error, what it did, it was saying let me get you right. Our old error was saying let me get it. Okay, it was saying no module named path. Okay, this is the error we're getting, and now we can see we're getting a different error. So that is the way you can do it. You can you can do what? You can install that. Okay, let me go back. The only thing you have to do is to install. Once you install that, you're gonna be sorted. You see now it tells us already exists because we did what? We did install it. So that's the way how you fix that. That's the first option to fix it. The second option could be to do what? To import the, I'm gonna give you this, what to import, because that it's on this line whereby it was saying settings. Let me get it for you if I can see. If I can see it. I'm gonna get you something else. Look at this, and we see where we wanted to. You can use that option. If it works for you, it's good. If it doesn't work for you, then I wanna give you something better. Something different. Okay, installed. We're looking for something. Path model. Okay, you go to this. You this page. Once you go to that, open link. It can tell you to open the link. When we open the link, let's see, it gives us something else, but okay, anyway, we're gonna get it on these settings. So what you do, you can import, close this, complaints in this line 13, no module. So, but since we put it there, you don't need to do that because we imported. So if you get into problems, if you can't install it, you're gonna have to, let me show you this line down here. You go to that page and import this. Yeah, you import os.path because this already exists in each and every version of in all versions of Python. So once you use that, if you can't install what we gave you, you have to import this in that settings page. So when you use that, it's gonna help you because it's already what, it's already exists. So try to import this. That's gonna help you if you fail to install what we gave you. Thanks guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.